Welcome to day 29 of the truck build. A bit of a go slow morning today. It's rainy and cool and I'm losing my voice and just not feeling it. But my dad did just holler and say, any leaks in there? And no, I can't find any leaks. Oh, Mimi! She just slipped in the door. She launched in the door and slipped over with her wet feet going 100 miles an hour. And then she's gone again. As quick as that. That was a bit funny, but yeah, no leaks in the truck. So I guess rainy days are good for something. Can't see any leaks. That's a good start. Today's agenda. Let's swing the camera around here. Stud wall. So 1 meter stud wall this way, 1200 stud wall that way. Glass door there. Then Tom can run his plumbing up for the showers and the wastewater down. So I think that's what we're priority number 1 is today. So I'm gonna clad that in all this wall and that wall and spotted gum. So I got to go and pick through my spotted gum pile and find some meter long boards and some 1300 long boards to go all the way up to there. If I'm gonna have to have an ugly wall in my truck, I am gonna make it a beautiful feature wall using these beautiful boards. And it'll also give me a spot to hang some art or some family photos or some maps or, you know, hooks or towels or whatever. So I'll try not to begrudge the wall too much. I know it's got to go in, so we'll get it done. And these blocks can go out today. The shower tray is all glued down now. Things are clean out. Go and sort through my timber pile. Oh, here comes the sun. Good Queensland weather. It heard me complaining about being cold and rainy and the sun's popped out. Because it'd be something good about Queensland in winter. That's it. I tell you, the sun's fabulous. But this space really kicking along now. Really starting to come together. Waiting on the gas fitter. Gas I think is going to be a big hold up, but we could have this side finished if it wasn't for gas really. Yep, getting there. Shower wall, first stud wall going in. Trying to build in the truck today because it's a bit rainy outside. But still leaves us a nice big walkway, but I know I'm going to resent having it there after having so much light and air through. But you got to do what you got to do. Alright, 2 shower walls started up. Tom's demonstrating the warp gap between the oven and the stud wall. And Mimi's trying to get some morning tea. She says.
So do you screw that to the floor?
Yeah, it'll have to go to the floor, like the bed frame did. There's no walls or really.
Okay. That's better than it was.
Okay. Oh, you turn the tap off.
Because there's nothing there now.
It's not hot, but we have shower.
What?
Our walls coming along today. I'm actually quite liking this feature wall that's going in here. Still a nice 850 wide gap in there, so plenty of room. Nice and easy. All the doors still open properly. Just lining with ply or marine ply, and then our melamine sheets will go in over the top. So that'll be my shower head. Tom's put it in at Tom height. He can have a shower under there without squatting. He's looking forward to that. And then the toilet cubicle will go in there as well. Some shelves and things. So moving along now. Visual change. Big visual change today. Okay, end of day 29. It's like 6:30 p.m. We've all had enough. We should have probably quit a couple of hours ago, but you just try to push through and then get bogged down, and we still got to clean the site and stuff. But anyway, got a fair bit done today. I'll swing the camera around. I've been told it looks like a sauna, and it's been dubbed the sturdiest shithouse in a caravan in Australia. The sturdiest motorhome shithouse in existence. There's more studs and noggins and timber in there than there is in a whole bloody caravan, I think. But it is a very generous shower cubicle for a motorhome. Shower is at Tom's height, so he can actually have a proper shower in there, all 6'6" of him. But yeah, so it's sort of coming in. We were going to just do little form ply sort of stud walls with it, but we had a boatload of spotted gum left over, so we've decided to do a spotted gum feature wall, and I think that'll sand and polish up quite nicely. But it is time to pack up site and then do it all again tomorrow.